Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Abra, and on this channel I share everything about cleaning, cooking, organizing and motherhood. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so, and let's stay connected.
I'm not here for you to blow your one and only chance.
Thank you guys for being here today. This video is going to be about my spring cleaning checklist, spring cleaning motivation. I'm starting my spring cleaning series, and today I am taking you along with me to deep clean my bedroom. So we got a lot on our list to get done in today's video. I would like to know if you guys are cleaning along with me, or if you're just enjoying, relaxing, watching this video. Let me know in the comment below. At the top of my checklist, I have my windows. As you can see, they badly need attention. After that, I'm gonna move furniture around the bed, nightstand and TV stand, and vacuum underneath all those stuff that I don't normally get a chance to vacuum every day. And then I'm gonna clean the carpet, and I have a really easy and effective way to clean your flat screen TV that I'm going to share with you. I did really take my time to deep clean this bedroom, so it's really satisfying. You guys are going to enjoy it. Do you guys spring clean? If yes, have you started yet? And what do you have on your checklist while you're doing your spring cleaning? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys.
Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close.
I wanted to use this duster to clean the fan, but when I started, I realized that it's just gonna make a big mess around the bed and the carpet. So I used this pillowcase. I don't know if you guys know about this method. It's a really good way to keep all the dust in that pillowcase, so it's not all over the bed.
All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close to me. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close to me. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden, are gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close to me. We'll do you good, 'cause I am gold, I'm golden.
guy tried moving this bed earlier, but it was so heavy that it wasn't safe. So he went to the hardware store to get this plastic sliders here, which we're going to be using to slide this bed easily.
It wasn't all bad, baby. Look at where we began. Making out in my room, nobody had a clue. Sneaking out past curfew, we were only 17. Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this day I still do love you like I'm 17.
I definitely had to have my baseboards on my list. I don't usually clean my baseboards on my everyday cleaning routine. I don't know about you guys, but I don't do it.
You still make me feel like you used to back then. I'm feeling our history so close I can touch it. I just can't stop thinking about us way back when. Making out in my room, nobody had a clue. Sneaking out past curfew, we were only 17. Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this day I still do love you like I'm 17. Still love you like I'm 17. Still love you like I'm 17.
I'll build you up, you break me down, tear everything.
I did take all my curtains off camera, wash them, and here I'm just putting them back.
True love, boo. Love this ain't true love, this ain't me right here, so I'm gonna leave you. Can be with someone who doesn't care. Be running and running and running and running.
Here I'm deodorizing my mattress with baking soda. All you need is a cup or two of baking soda and sprinkle it all over your mattress. Let it sit for 30 minutes and then vacuum it. I used my strainer to sprinkle the baking soda on the mattress. It really helps to sprinkle it evenly on the mattress. And this is totally optional, but you can also add a few drops of essential oil to your baking soda before you sprinkle it on the bed. It just adds extra nice smell, freshness to your mattress. If you're using water or any kind of all-purpose cleaner to clean your TV screen, you are doing it wrong and you are about to destroy your TV. So here is the distilled water. That's what you use to clean your TV screen. It depends on how dirty the TV screen is. Mine here, it's pretty dirty. You can see all the little fingerprints on the screen. So what I did was I dusted it first and wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. That's what you want to use. And then for the second round, I sprayed the microfiber cloth with distilled water, just a little water on it, and then wipe the screen with that. Make sure you don't push down too hard on the screen because you can scratch it doing that, and it's a really good way, effective way to get all the fingerprints off of your TV screen. And before you start cleaning your TV, make sure it is unplugged. And please do not spray the water directly on your screen. Just spray it on your microfiber cloth first and then wipe your screen with it.
Hit me down. Love you hit me down. Love you hit me down. Love, lost I can't be found.
My spring cleaning wouldn't be completed without wiping down my doors, especially when you have a toddler. all the foods and little fingerprints all over the wall and the doors.
You make it so hard to see. I'm blind. Oh, this is what I'll do. I'm tired. This is how you lose. My trust for you, if only you knew. How much I'm trying, what I'll do. I've had enough. I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for.
It smells so fresh and clean in here, and I'm so glad that I decided to deep clean this bedroom. It helped a lot with our allergy, and it just feels good to have a clean room. This takes us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next one.
You are like me, you wanna be free, like a sun.